Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is Lady Vintage Bags here. So I'm doing another quick organization video, and so today I'm talking about the kitchen drawers. So I've only got 4 kitchen drawers here and I'm going to show you how I organize them. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. So let's take a look at my kitchen drawers. Now I do have strange kitchen drawers, and you'll see in a minute the top drawer is what's strange. Okay, so let's start from the top now. So the top drawer, so it's actually this really it's a bench type drawer actually, which I think it's like a bench extender. I'm not really sure, but I couldn't put anything there and I never actually used it as a bench extender or bench top space extender, so I ended up putting my chopping boards there. So these are actually Joseph chopping boards, which come with a holder which follows them standing upright, but I don't have a lot of bench space. I have a very small amount of bench space, so I ended up finding that putting them here actually helped me utilize this space better, and I've just packed away the bench top holder for now that had them standing like that. So previously this was a not utilized space at all, and for a couple of years I never even touched this at all. So now it's my chopping board drawer. So my second drawer, so this is my cutlery drawer. So here I've got 2 Joseph holders. So I've got a Joseph knife organizer and a Joseph compact cutlery organizer. So these you can buy at Target, or you can buy on Amazon, you can buy on eBay, you can buy on a couple of different online stores. So they're not too expensive. So depending on whether you're buying them full price or buying them on sale, they can range between $20 to $25 each, or sometimes the cutlery holder can go down to about $15 if you're lucky. You can also get them from Catch of the Day. I think I initially bought them from Catch of the Day actually. So I really like this Joseph knife organizer. It makes it so easy to see all my knives and so easy just to grab the one that I need at the time, and I've just got some scissors there and some small paring knives here. So I also find the cutlery holder to be really helpful. So I don't have a huge amount of cutlery, but I do have lots of different types of cutlery. So I've got my forks, my knives, my spoons, my chopsticks. These are the long teaspoons, great for eating ice cream or using them to stir your iced coffees, because you can put them in a big tumbler glass. Then I've got my normal teaspoons, and these are just soup spoons for when I'm having noodles. So I'm really happy with the drawer layout with these Joseph organizers. So this is just a little plastic holder that came with a pack of crackers, and I use this to corral my cheese board items. That's just a pack of toothpicks. So this is a benchtop compact knife sharpener from Kleva Sharp Pro. This is the newest version, which is stainless steel. All you do is, when you want to use it, you just push the lever down and it sticks to your bench top, and all you have to do is get your knife and you just do a couple of strokes. Sorry, I'm just having trouble seeing through the camera, and that's it. So it doesn't move for safety, and when you're done, just pick it up, put it back in the drawer. So it's really nice and compact. So I'm really happy with how this drawer turned out. I've just got a couple of my old knife covers, the sharpener covers, at the back there, just in case I want to use them, but I haven't really been using them since I got that knife sharpener. Okay, so my next drawer, this is my cooking utensil drawer. So this is not Pinterest perfect, it's not organized to perfection, and it's not minimalistic. I have a lot of cooking utensils, so I've just separated them by wooden handled, plastic and metal. And then in here I've just got a plastic container to corral my can openers and peelers, and then on the edges here I have my silicone food covers. So these are food huggers, so I use these for like lemon, limes, tomatoes, and then I got my avocado ones here. So I really like using these instead of using cling wrap or glad wrap all the time. And then I've got these drawer dividers. So they're from Catch of the Day, and they're from a brand called Ideaworks. And they clip down, so you just pull them to size and you push this down and that locks them in place. So they're pretty good. So they cost about, I think I paid $16 for a pack of 2. And I've just got some handwritten labels saying wooden, plastic and metal utensils. So as you can see, I have a lot of cooking utensils, not minimalistic or Pinterest worthy at all, but functional and realistic. And then my final drawer. So this is just where I keep my really small crockery and a couple of tea serving things. So I've got my little dipping sauce bowls here. Some more sauce bowls. I've got my gravy server. That's a 3-compartment serving. Some ramekins. That's milk for tea. That's a teacup, teacup, teacup. I've also got my rice measuring cup here. And these are just some soup cups that come with lids. And then you can pop this open as well. And just for a bonus, I'll show you my crockery. So this is how I currently have my crockery organized. So as you can see along the top there, I've got my plates and they're standing up on this organizer here. So this is from the brand Utopia, and this is the Utopia Store More adjustable rack organizer. So this can be stretched out even bigger, or it can be made even smaller to here. And then you get a pack of these and you can just place them anywhere you want, and I've only used half of them too. I placed the other half in the back there. So I'm only using the back half as extra storage for things that I don't need to really touch, or excess things like spare rack holders there. So I've got all my plates standing up. So I did actually have to declutter my plates. So half of these big plates I've got back there because we don't really use them as much and we mostly use the smaller plates. So I really just grab the plates that I need from here, and see there's a, this actually goes inwards from here. So the plates just fall into the groove and stay in place, and they don't roll out of the holder at all. And then underneath here, I've got my bowls. So as you can see here, I do have some spare things at the back. So I've got a spare knife set at the back. I've got spare bowls at the back. And I've got a little shisha back there too. But I only ever really use the mixing bowl here and these sets of bowls. We don't have too many people in the house, so we're not going through a lot of crockery. So anything I need, I just have quick access at the front here. And that makes it really nice and easy when I'm putting the dishes away as well. So that's the end of my kitchen, drawers and crockery organization. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for listening, everyone. Bye.